Hey guys, so this is my first YouTube channel, bear with me. Oops. Alright then, I'm not the star of the show. Okay, so, are we live?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. I do not know how to pronounce her name. And so that's like the only con with social media shit. And if you hear any noises in the background and stuff, it's just a psycho cat that I live with. And yeah, so I got a package in the mail and I'm so excited because it feels like Christmas all over again. And job. So she was really nice to put. I'll cut up a hole real quick. She was really nice to put signature please, but due to the whole coronavirus thing, I don't know if you guys are aware that if you get packages shipped to you and it requires a signature, a lot of, like, if you're not available at your house, a lot of the mail people will sign your name on it. Like, they'll literally sign your name and they'll just drop it off at the door. But some pros of them is that they are really professionals, and sometimes they'll send you a picture and they'll email to you that they dropped off your package. But that the freaking cat's gonna murder my bird. I'll be right back. and so anyways, I'm scared because, like, you're not supposed to open it with scissors, so I'm just gonna cut like the very tip part right here, and I'm just gonna figure it out. And then it's gonna say the SpongeBob thing, 10 minutes later. So I'm scared. Okay, let me go out right here. Let's just see. I think I got it open. Oh, so what I ordered was it's my third Louis Vuitton piece. I'm very excited. I'm having like a sort of high right now opening this thing. I've never opened things on camera before. It's you guys will see in a little bit. Oh, and by the way, shout out to Juvia's Place, because, you know, with all that's going on with the Black Lives Movement, the Black Lives Matter, I proud to support that way before like this whole bandwagon thing and all that stuff. Like, I be seeing on YouTube that a whole bunch of people do like support black businesses and stuff like that, and I'm proud to say that I've been buying Juvia's Place, the I Am Magic Foundation. When it first came out, it makes me feel so much more secure about myself. And I also put on Beauty Bakery flower setting powder. What else? So yeah, Juvia's Place, Beauty Bakery, and my lashes are a Latina owned business. Thank you. They're called Wink Mink. So I really appreciate you guys helping me out feel prettier and whatnot. So yeah. Ta-da. And then let me see if you can talk with her. So I saw some stuff, but wow, she's so pretty. Oh, shipped. She shipped it out to me on the 2nd of June. I can't believe it's June already. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. This is in such great condition on the outside, and I'm thanking God that she was able to help me out with the zipper. The pictures, they had like a little bit of tarnishing and some of the blue like blue cleaning stuff, so I really appreciate that. And she really helped me clean it up. I told her if she could clean it up, and literally the zipper looks brand new. I'm sorry, I'm hogging it right now, but it looks brand new. I'm gonna show it from all different angles, and let me just, it's so pretty. And then look at the back. This is the bottom. Oh my god, so let's open it up. I can't see, so I'm just gonna check. Oh my gosh, she put stuff in it. Oh my gosh, she's from Canada, and I love Canada, so I'm so happy that she bought me stuff from Canada, or she sent me stuff from Canada. Oh my god, you're so pretty. My hair clips. I'm gonna put like little Polaroids like on the side of my wall or something like that. It's so pretty. Thank you, girl. Let me see. Oh my god, a letter. Alright, let's try it. Let's check it out. Oh. Says, "Hi Michelle, thank you. Heart. I hope you like it. Please let me know if you received it safe. Take care and stay safe. Jessa." I think I'm gonna say that's her name, Jessa, but I don't really know how to pronounce it. It's Jhesa. I told her that I would do an unboxing video because I just really wanted to record this special moment of mine. So thank you so much for that. And yeah, there's some more stuffing. Oh my god. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh my god, and you know what? This is I'm so excited to see this because I heard it has a date code. So let me just see real quick. I think I'm gonna have to like stand up or something. You're gonna have to kind of direct me a little bit. Oh my god. That's the date code right there.
It's very hard to see.
It's very hard to see, and it's almost invisible. You have to kind of part this part, but you have to be careful because it's connected, so I don't want to rip it. But the date code is about right there. I don't know if you can see it. So it had to pretty nails or whatever. But yeah, I can't afford to be pulling at it because I don't want to, you know, pull at it. So I'm afraid to pull at it like that. But like, can you see the quality of this? Like, oh my god, this there's just a couple of marks, but of course it's all the way from the 80s. Can you believe, like, dude, no one in their age, in their lifetime looks like this in their 80s. Like, from the 80s. Like, you know, they're so much more older, and this is so pretty. This is, like, really, really pretty, guys. I love it. It's such a beautiful cream color. And it's a monogram. I've always been obsessed with the monogram ever since I was little or whatever. I would always see the logo. I would always see the fleur-de-lis, or, well, not fleur-de-lis, but the little flower symbols and whatnot. And I was just always obsessed with it. I would see certain people have it, and that's the thing. Certain people would have Louis Vuitton, and I just didn't know it was certain people that could have them. And now that old enough and to decide for myself that if I want to pursue a piece like this, I will. And it's just I'm so happy with it because it's so hard to find. First of all, I had like a phobia against pre-loved items because I would just, like, I knew myself as a person. I would definitely like use items and stuff like that. And it's so hard to find just great things in great condition. Like, can you believe the zipper? Oh my god. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I have makeup bags, and literally my current makeup bag, I literally put so much makeup in it, and I would put my makeup tools and whatnot, and it's just really dirty. If I were to go grab my makeup bag and show it to you, definitely I would not do what the fuck I do to my Jeffree Star Cosmetics bag to this bag. This bag is gonna be so much more taken care of. Literally, you know what I saw in a couple of videos, I saw that a couple of girls would put if they were to put, because I do wear makeup, so I did it in my other Trousse 28. I grabbed and also don't be pulling too hard on it. I was telling myself, and look at the seams. Can you guys see the seams? They're so beautiful. Like, it's not like, how do you say, bleached or anything bad. Like, I usually see, like, I was looking at some Louis pieces last night, and they had cracks right here. They had like spots down here and stuff. Like, a girl literally bought a on the website it looked perfect, but then literally she opened the inside and had a mold in it, and it was so disgusting. That's like really dangerous, like hazardly, so due to the whole coronavirus too. I don't want to be dealing with that. So, and that's also a risk, like the whole virus that's happening right now, like to be buying pre-loved items, that's a huge risk. So you know, I'm actually glad I took the risk because yeah, I love it. Oh, and by the way, like I was saying, I saw a couple of girls, and I do it too, buy like these like plastic makeup bags, clear sea makeup bags. That's like a very small square of this. I'm just gonna put my beauty blender, like whatever thing to take up, touch up, whatever. And then like I was also thinking about buying like some sort of like clear through thing so I can put it in there, so in case nothing spills. But yeah, this is, I believe this is like the front for me. This is the front for me, and then this is the back. And I think it's just so gorgeous. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. Thank you for checking out my channel or whatever. But yeah, have a great day.